tem te jwen nom.
Koto te jwen nom, ou pa vle pran nom?
Mba jwen nom.
Non, ou pa ka manje tout premier vini manje.
We didn't have like movie theaters. We didn't have other fancy places to go. They go to church, some people in the afternoon, they go to what they call gage. Gage is like where they fight cock, rooster. People, they go there, they fight, they rooster. That was the way to relax because after a week working hard in their farms, for them, they said that was the day for the Lord. But at the same time, for them, that was the day, for them to get dressed, to visit, relatives, young men to visit, their girlfriends, and, to spend special time together. Now, they didn't have big houses. They were covered with corrugated tin roof, most of the house. It's like if you have a house covered with corrugated tin roof, that's mean like, you're a little bit advanced. Maybe you have a little bit of money. But after that, I wouldn't say like poor or very poor, but they use like, other material, like simple thing like dirt, or they use straw, to cover, their house. The way it was working at that time, we go to kinder. After kinder, we go to what they call elementary school. And then after high school, most people, they go to Petionville or Delmas to some, relative so they can continue with school. And then at the same time, some people after high school, they just get married or, they just become a farmer. So the smart one go to the city so, they can pursue their dream, because people there, they were very ambitious. Some of them, they wanted to become a lawyer. They wanted to become a doctor. They wanted, to become something bigger and live, a farmer's life. The last time I visited Duval 10 years ago, people I knew, most of them, they were gone. I met a few people among the people I grew up, but most of the people, they were gone. People that start moving because, Port-au-Prince is saturated. They don't have too many spaces, to build in Port-au-Prince. People starting to move back in the countryside because land is not that expensive. And also life is like a little bit less stressful. Like in New York, like LA, like all the big cities, there are a lot of crimes and stuff like that. But Duval, it's the countryside, it's like, it's a little bit safer. But, my grandpa, he has 18 children with 2 different women. But the most important thing, these 2 women, they were like sisters. They never fight. It's been a long time since I left Duval. My information, all of them might not be accurate. Just talk like, about my opinion about the time I lived there. And also, I always take a great pride to talk about Duval because this is a very special place for me. Because this is where my grandparents from, and my grandparents are very special for me, especially my grandmother. Now she's passed away. She's no longer alive, but I hope, she's resting in peace right now. Anytime, I speak about Duval, this is a chance like to see her again in my mind. I remember when December come, it was very important for my grandmother. Even if she's in Port-au-Prince, she has to go back to Duval so she can cook, she can prepare drinks so the whole family come together, eat, talking and have fun together. But since she passed away, I miss that a lot. Anytime I have a chance to talk about Duval, I do it with pride, and also that make me remember my grandparents, especially my grandmother.